Hello everyone, thank you for joining the Lincoln Public Library, Digital Library for Seniors. This is sponsored by the Lincoln Hills Foundation and the Friends of the Lincoln Public Library. Today we're going to be talking about Kanopy. Kanopy can be used on the computer or tablet, iPhone, Samsung, Android, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV and AirPlay, Chromecast, Roku, and Samsung TV. Before we get started, please make sure that you have a Lincoln Public Library card. If you don't, you can go online to www.libraryatlincoln.org and sign up for a library card today. You will receive a digital library card that you can use right away, but you will need to stop by the library within 6 months of getting your digital library card and get a physical library card. Kanopy is an on-demand video platform for public libraries and universities that offers films and documentaries. To sign up for a Kanopy account, you will need your Lincoln Public Library card as well as an email address. To get started, we're going to click on Get Started in the lower left-hand corner. You'll be directed to a page where it asks if you have a public library card or if you're a student or professor. So we're going to click on Find Your Library. And in the search, you can search by library name, city, or zip code. For this, I am going to put in Lincoln Public Library. And you'll see that the first one that pops up is California. Go ahead and click on that. Then there's two different areas that you can select this library. You can either select the library in the map area or on the left-hand side. Once you select your library, you are going to have to enter your library card number, and it will be the full library card number. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to another page that will ask you for your first and last name, your email address, and a password you would like to use. Once you're logged into Kanopy, this is the screen you will see. In the right-hand corner will be your name, as well as the credits you have available, and what we have is a kids account. First, we're going to take notice of the credits. Credits are used to play videos on Kanopy. You will receive 10 play credits a month from the Lincoln Public Library. Your play credits reset on the first day of each month, and unused play credits do not roll over to the next month. When you log into Kanopy, you'll see the play credit counter in the top right-hand corner of the homepage. The counter displays your remaining play credits for the calendar month out of your total play credits for the month. A film uses one play credit once it has been played for 5 seconds. When you start a film, you can watch it as many times as you like over the next 48 to 72 hours depending on the title, without using another play credit. On the first screen, you will see newly added movies as well as documentaries, and towards the bottom, there's all the items that will be leaving this month. You can browse. If we hover over the browse, we see that there's featured, so new editions, popular this month, as well as genres. The My List area is going to be where you can find movies that you have watched, are watching, or have on a watch list. So let's browse popular this month. Once you click a feature, you'll see that popular this month is broken down into genres. When you find an item that you want, you can hover over the item and see what year it was made and how long the runtime is. There's an area for you to add to your watch list, so maybe you don't want to watch it now, but you would like to watch it later. And there's also an area that shows you which genres and categories this film falls in. If we click See More, you're directed to a page that gives you a little bit more information about the movie or television show that you want to watch. For this one in particular, it'll give you a little breakdown of what it's about. Again, you can add it to your watch list. And there's also an option to watch a trailer for it. Watching trailers does not use a play credit. Once you press play, after 5 seconds, it'll use a play credit. Now you'll see in the right-hand corner, I have 9 out of 10 credits left. If I go to My List, I will see the video that I just played and how long I have to watch it for. In the right-hand corner of the video, it says I have 71 hours left on this particular movie. Now let's add an item to our watch list. We're going to go back to Browse, and let's go down to Academy Awards winners and nominees. Say I want to watch Moonlight, but not right now. I want to save it for in a day or two. If I click Add to my watch list, this item will now be found where I go to My List and My Watch List. There are some play credit exceptions. One is Kanopy Kids. On Kanopy Kids, you have unlimited plays for videos. Kanopy for Kids can be found in the right-hand corner at the top. When you click on Kanopy for Kids, you'll see that the front page changes, and now all the videos and TV shows are specially designed for children. Kids can watch an unlimited amount in this section. To exit, you just click Exit Kids. Another play credit exception is the Great Courses. The Great Courses series do not use your play credits of 10, but the Lincoln Public Library has set a limit of 5 per month on the number of series that you can watch. So the Great Courses are documentaries, many with multiple episodes to the series. To search for this category, you'll use the search bar and start typing the Great Courses. Under Suggested Matches, you'll select the Great Courses. Let's see what that looks like. So here we are back on our main screen. And as you can see, along this bar, Great Courses pops up. But I'd also like to show you how to search for this. In our search bar, we click. We're going to start by searching the Great Courses. Our suggested matches gives us the Great Courses. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to be directed to many different documentaries. So again, you get 5 Great Course credits, and it does not apply to the 10 credits that you already get with Kanopy. The only thing is that you can't see how many Great Course credits you have used of your 5. So you'll either have to keep track of it, or once you've watched 5 of these, you won't be able to check out any more for that month. But if we click on one of these, let's say Ancient Egypt, and I select See More, and I start watching one of these episodes, that will use one of my 5 Great Course credits. Now, if I scroll down a little bit farther, I'll see that in this particular great course, there are 48 episodes. You get all 48 episodes for that one great course credit. So we'll go ahead and play this episode. And again, after 5 seconds, it will use one of our great course credits. Now if I go up to my list, you'll see the great courses in there. So thank you again for joining us here at the Lincoln Public Library for Digital Libraries for Seniors on Kanopy. This was sponsored by the Lincoln Hills Foundation and the Friends of the Lincoln Public Library. If you have any questions about this service, or if you want to see what else you can use your library card for, please go to our website below.